so we are here in the laundry area because I need to do the bed sheet because the washing machine cannot make it. I'm so sorry about my look. And okay, so now I'm gonna choose which one I want to do with my beddings. Right here they have the coin changer, so I'm gonna insert. And it will come out right here, right there. And then I choose the 20 kg, and then price comes from $9. So the pricing will be normal wash. And then you press start. You will ask you to pay, and you insert the coins right there. As you insert the coins, it will change right there. There, it's normal washing in 26 minutes, and then you gotta press start over here, and then you gotta put the coins right there. So yeah.